YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We're doing a double header today. So Down Wild 914 back with another review. This is a sneaker review that we're doing. I got this package from Oneness. Oneness Boutique is a retail shop out in Kentucky, I believe. I'm going to put their Instagram up on the screen here. But cop this from them. So I'm glad I was able to cop these. I wouldn't say they sat around for a little bit, but it was an easy cop on Oneness. I guess I clicked on the Soul Links. If you're following Soul Links on Twitter, or sneaker Twitter, they sent out a link and I was able to go in and cop without any issues, a size 10.5. But yeah, these pretty much are gone pretty much everywhere in that size or bigger sizes. But yeah, shout out to Oneness Boutique, man, for the dub. And I just want to say real quick, if you're in the kicks and fits, you're in the right place. All my new subscribers, or if you're new to the videos, that's what we review over here, that's what we do over here. And all my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So earlier today, I did a review of Jada Sneaker Guy sent me a limited hat. Jada Sneaker Guy had his collab with Clockwork Skate Shop. So check that video out if you can. And I'll be putting a fit together with that hat soon. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the shoe and get into it, man. So you've seen by the title of the video and the thumbnail, these are the Jordan 7 Miros. And yeah, let's get into it, man. It's my first time ever owning this pair. I think they came out, I can't even remember the last time they came out, but when they came out, they were very limited. So this is, for I guess a lack of a better word, this is some people's grail shoe, actually. So I was never really into the shoe when it first came out. I don't know why. I guess I just missed the drop or whatever. But seeing them seeing the videos and seeing pictures right now, they look kind of dope, man. So we're gonna get into it and see what they're hitting for. So, of course, I think the first actual release of these had a special box, and it came with special packaging. This got the Jordan face box that we've been getting with mostly all the retros lately. But it came with that, and I think the laces are in lace bags and connected to the shoe. On the first release, they had like a special box for all the laces, and they were placed separately in the box. So, Jordan face box. Let's get into the size and tag. Flip lid. And on the top of the flip lid right here, you should have red stamps. You got red stamp here, right here, and then you got your red numbers right here as well. Paper should be like this tan style paper. And then you should get right into the kicks. The left shoe is gonna have 3 laces on them. And then the right shoe should have 2, but it looks like one of my laces fell off. So here we go. That's how your shoes should come. Let's see if there's anything else inside the box. I don't think this is it. No green. Yeah, you do get a green sticker inside the box right here. So make sure you get your green sticker. If you're getting these off the secondary market, make sure your package comes just like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the review, man. I ain't had a pair of 7s in a while, man, since the trophy rooms. I sold my other like OG Bordeaux and Bugs Bunny because they were getting old, and I knew they was gonna retro them at some point, so I just wait for the newer pair to get retro. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into these, man. We'll do the right pair. Yeah, these are nice, man. In hand. Yeah, these are real nice in hand. I'm kind of digging these. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Did you go for a pair? Would you cop these off the secondary market? How you feeling about this pair? So I guess a little backstory on this pair. I don't know if his name is pronounced Jean Miro. That's the artist who designed the color blocking on this shoe. This shoe is actually inspired by the 1992 Olympics Barcelona, where Jordan and the Dream Team went over there and won the gold. So you can see the hits of like gold right here on the Jumpman. In the back is like the colors, I think, of like the Olympic, I think it was the Olympic flag, or the circles that are in the Olympic flag or the Olympic logo. And then also in the back, you see the number 9 right there on the back instead of your traditional 23. That's because Jordan wore number 9 in the Olympics. And you know what's funny? When I first seen this shoe, when it first released back in the day and I seen it, I thought it was a take on Michael Jordan. So I believe it's Jordan Airtime, I think is the documentary. Jordan used to make documentaries back in the day about his seasons and things of that nature. He had the first one, I believe, was may have been Come Fly With Me, then Michael Jordan's Playground, then Airtime, and that was another one after that. It was a double CD, but Airtime, I think, is the one where they actually showed Michael Jordan winning the second championship and then going playing on the Dream Team. There was a scene where he got up in the morning. He just wanted to go visit Barcelona. It's a clip in there, and then, you know, the driver was driving him around. He was eating breakfast, talking to regular people in the public, and then he went by this gigantic poster of himself, and the gear he had on, he had a short set on, and it had all these different colors in it. And I thought that's what this shoe was designed after, like the outfit that he was wearing. And I'm gonna see if I can find a picture and put that up so you can see what I'm talking about. But if you, all the OGs, if you watch Airtime, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know the scene I'm talking about in the video as well. So that's what I thought these was designed after. But no, it's, you know, Jean Miro actually designed these, but it was based on the 1992 Olympics in Barcelona. So I think he is a Barcelona. I think he is in Barcelona. He's an artist out of Barcelona as well. So, like I said, I guess we can start with the outsole. The outsole, you got, man, the 7s have got one of the best outsoles in the Jordans, man, in my opinion. The 7 outsole is just fire. So you got like a translucent outsole, and then you have those colors popping through. You got the gold Jumpman on the back. You got hits of black, green, red, blue. So dope, man. What's that in the side? Okay, a green basketball right there on the outsole. You got a yellow basketball up top right here on the forefoot. So that's pretty dope. And then moving to the midsole, you got a combination of black, gold, red, and white. And this is a white. It's not like a sail or anything like that. It's definitely a white. And then, you know, you got your hits of black on the upper of the 7s right here. This is like a nubuck suede right here on the mid panel as well. And up here around like the ankle is like a nubuck suede. And this Jumpman is actually stitched in. This is a stitched gold Jumpman right there on the upper ankle inside that black. Mostly white, and I love that they put the black inside the side panels. It does make the shoe pop. Moving up to the tongue, you got a black tongue, and the black tongue is a nubuck type of material as well. You have Jordan in red and Air in gold right there on the tongue. The laces that it comes with is the multi-color laces, and these laces are cool, but I think the black laces look the cleanest in these, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to do a lace swap and put the black ones in myself. So that's on the right side. You got hits of gold as well, so all the coloring that's on the upper, even on the other side of the shoe, you got more gold hits right here on the other side of the shoe. This is one of my favorite parts, that little black and red circle right there on the back. I don't know why, I just like the way it looks on the medial side of the shoe. This is fire, man. This is a fire shoe. Toe box, all those multicolors on the toe box. You got the black tongue going through, and then like I said, on the back you can see has that 9 in gold, red. You got the multicolored strap on the back as well, and this strap is almost the same strap that the Jordan Trophy Room 7s came. If you look at your Trophy Room 7s, yeah, so if you look at your Trophy Room 7s, it's almost like the same concept. There's different colors in there. Colors are a little different, but you can see it's the same concept they went with on the Jordan 7 Trophy Rooms, man. And these are fire, man. I gotta bring these out at some point. That gold on the back is crazy. Definitely gotta bring these out. These were inspired by the Jordan 7 Olympics as well. You know what? We need the Olympics back. The Jordan 7 Olympics, man. Jordan Brand Nike, if someone comes across this video, man, give us those like ASAP. Next year we need those along with the playoff 7s, Raptor 7s. We need all Bordeaux's, Bugs Bunnies. Bring all the OG 7s back next year, man. We copping them all, trust me. Then the inside, it does come with most 7s. Even my OG 7s that I had came with like this type of like insert to kind of like keep the shape of the shoe on the inside. So these should come with that. Make sure your pair comes with that. Dead stock tied on the, let me see here. Do they have that on the black laces? No, the black laces just, none of the laces have the lace tips. But the lace tips on the multicolored laces that come in the shoe are like that gold. You got gold tips. Let's see here. It does come with shoe paper, not shoe trees. And the inside you got multicolored insole with a red Jumpman, and you got your sizing tag in the insole as well. So that's how your insole should look. And then on the inside of the inner sock liner, inner booty we call it, it should be like all gold. all gold in the inner sock liner booty. So there you have it, man. And then the left shoe, and it looks identical. So you know how sometimes when they do shoes like this, sometimes the colors on each shoe is different, or the design is different, but on these everything is the same, as you can see. Like it's all the color blocking, everything that's supposed to be there on the left shoes are there on the right shoe. Let me see if I can give you a better look by doing it this way as well. Like you can see, it's all the same color blocking. On the back, both have the number 9 right there on the back. The color blocking on the back is identical as well. You can see. So yeah, so that's the review of these shoes, man. Comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? Are you feeling them? Are you gonna go for a pair? Are you waiting for me to do the on foot to kind of help you make your final decision on this pair? Because that's what's going to happen. I'm definitely going to throw these on feet. Comment in the comment section down below, man. So with that being said, I'm eager to put these on feet to kind of see how they look on feet. I haven't had a pair of 7s in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna hop into this on foot. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock money off.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time.